Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the exact steps to turn on the search bar inside a slicer in Power BI. First, select the slicer. Go to your report page and click on the slicer visual where you want to add the search feature. When you click on it, you will see a border appear around the slicer. This tells you that the visual is selected and ready to be edited. Next, access the More Options menu. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the slicer. When you hover over that area, you will see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is called the More Options icon. It may not be visible until you move your mouse over the slicer, so make sure you are hovering in the correct spot. Now, enable the search feature. Click on the 3 vertical dots. A small drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option called Search. Click on Search, and the search bar will instantly appear at the top of your slicer. You can now type any value into the search box to quickly find items in the list. This is especially helpful when your slicer contains many entries, such as long lists of names, products, or categories. Thanks for watching.